Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of how I tie the hair on my best friend's dollies. So as you can see, I filled all the hair in now, and I have already made half of it curly. But this video is where I show you how I achieved that. So I grabbed my sewing needle. I do prefer the metal over the plastic, but either would work. And I untwist the yarn on itself, as you can see here, pop the needle in through the strands and pull them apart. I find laying them flat helps them from tangling. Here's a close-up for you so that you can see better what I'm doing. Fast forward and all that's left to do is the fringe. Once I'm pretty sure all the hair is now curly, I have a quick check over, comb it through with my fingers and just make sure for any strands that I've left straight. And I find one here, so time to unravel. One last comb through and I'm pretty confident now I have all of the straight strands curled and it's time to move on to a trim. I start by making 3 marking chips, one on each side of the fringe and one in the middle, and then I know that I can cut straight up to the fringe marker there and I've got the general length of the hair. Once the hair's all cut, you do find yourself with quite a large amount of yarn left over, but keep that to one side because we can always use that to stuff the next dolly. Once I'm happy with the overall shape that the hair has taken on, I then start chipping in just to give the hair an extra bit of style and again trying to make that natural look. One more final clean up and a little trim of the ends and her hair's all done. Ta-da! So there you go everyone, that's how I add hair to the best friend's dollies. Thanks for watching, love and teddy bear hugs, and I'll see you in the next video.